This is James Tolentino and Monkfield Monkbots project. Here's a demo of how it works. So I'm going to log in. Sends me to the store. This here is the student store menu. Product price and enter quantity. So let's say I want to add 1 laptop case. We'll add that. Goes back to the page. I want to buy 2 sweaters. Add that to the page. And then I'll buy a mouse. I'll add that. Now you can go ahead and check your cart. These are here. You get laptop case, 3 of them. You can remove it if you don't want it. School sweater 2. You can remove it if you don't want it right here. If you want to remove your 6. Oh, this was from before. So these items they come from my table cart. As you can see, this is here. USB stick and mouse. I removed the USB stick. I refresh this page. Let's open a new one. There it is. It's gone. There it is. So this all works with Entity's frameworks. Then you check out, you buy it. And that's it. Go to the student store. Once you go to the student store or hit log out, it will kick your session out. So the logged in person and the cart are together. And I'll show you here with our ERD. We have a lot of product keys here, identification. They're all connected to the cart. So that's how it will work. As to admin features, we have create somebody here, create a few already, hit admin or not. That's how that works. And so here's the code. We'll start off with to show you some unit testing. So here's the domain. I have the product repository, a fake database. This is where I declare the fake database into a list. Here's the place where you can create stuff. Excuse me. And here's also for that. Then you can go to tests. I only ran one of them just to see if it works, and this is the database one. So this is the mock that runs the iProduct repository for this stuff right here. So that works. So the unit testing is there. Now in regards to listen to this. So now the actual website, everything is in controllers. So this is the controller that lets you log in. Entity's framework once again. DB record is null. It is. Then you put it into a session, and then you say successfully logged in. Logged out. You just destroy the session, and you say logged out. Product controller. Here's the product repository stuff, so that you can create the fake database. But then here's the real one. Calling it here, menu to list. This here is what displays the list from the table products. This is the create, the edit. This is the edit function. Here's the delete function, and there's the action right here. And then you dispose it because you don't want to keep using the database. So you dispose it so it stops. Student controller, same. This is where you display the students in a list. Then you have details. You create, delete, edit. That's where admin functions are. This is where my error message is. So whatever error message deploys. This is it right here. This is the cart controller. So this is my host action add. You get all the variables you need. Declare cart session is null. You create a cart, add that cart to the table, and then else user cart quantity, parse it. There you go. Save everything to the database. Message added. Redirect menu to product. Now here's your remove button. You see me demo that earlier. Same thing. It just removes the cart. So changes. Here's the actual cart itself. And then here's the checkout. So it just removes the cart items. And that is. And then we have views here. We have a layout that is everything. That's pretty much it. This is the bare minimum that I was able to produce in the time we started over. I had to do a lot of research on here. Just for your information, James Tolentino, I worked pretty much on this project myself. Monk did most of the chapters in the book, so that's how we split up the work. I did all these on my own, and I know I'm submitting this kind of late is because I was really trying to make sure that the bare minimum was able to function, and I've been working on this for a really long time. It's currently 12:41 in the morning, so I'm really trying here. But yeah, this is pretty much what I've been able to develop. I've been able to implement the things that I've learned in unit testing. I've been able to implement lots of things that I learned about entities framework, and I'm able to create like an admin where you can log in and log out and be able to delete students from things. So pretty much a lot of data manipulation from the database through these controllers and how they talk to other things. So this is what we have, and thank you so much.